Right, this video is about negative angles. Now, when I refer to P, I'm referring to the point P rotated from the origin. If you look at my previous videos, you'll see diagrams indicating what P is. And here you'll see it also. So P rotates clockwise, and that will be negative if it moves in the clockwise. And in that case, it will go through the quadrants. So clockwise from the x-axis, we'll go through the quadrants 4, 3, 2, 1. So we'll go 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Theta is negative if it rotates clockwise. If P, the point P, rotates clockwise. Let's have a look at how that manifests itself. So we have the origin here. Let's say we rotated 40 minus 40, and that's our point P. Or we can have it rotating into this quadrant, quadrant 3, let's say at minus 160. This is P. Or we can have it rotating into this quadrant, this is the origin, and this rotation, this line of rotation, is the angle theta. So each position can be reached by either a clockwise rotation or an anti-clockwise rotation. So if we wanted to get to this point, we could go clockwise, or we can go anti-clockwise to get to this point, and similarly for these two. Right, here's our example of a negative angle. We have a rotation clockwise of minus 230 degrees to the point P, and this is the origin, and we have a anti-clockwise rotation of 130 degrees also to the point P. Alpha is this angle here made with the negative x-axis. Now theta, let's go through this, is positive 130 degrees, or theta is equal to minus 230 degrees. But alpha is 50 degrees. So this angle here, remember, this angle added to this angle here, theta, theta added to alpha must be equal to 180. If we have 130 here, we have alpha must be 50. So for both of these, alpha is 50 degrees, as you can see here. So therefore, we have that angle is 130 degrees. And angle minus 230 degrees have the same trig ratios. So both of these have the same trig ratios because alpha is the same for both of them, even though one's going clockwise and is negative and the other going anti-clockwise and is positive. So with P in the second quadrant, and the sign, where the sign ratio is positive, we have that sine 130 degrees is equal to sine minus 230 degrees, and that's equal to a positive sine 50 degrees. Then we have cosine 130. Cosine would be negative. -50 We have tan is also negative. Tan minus 230 that's equal to minus tan 50. You can check this using your calculator, but what we have here is a confirmation that only the sine trig ratio is positive in the second quadrant. Everything else is negative. And that's it for negative angles. I'll go through another example in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair. Bye for now.